Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will explore Nvidia in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of April, 2025, our system has identified Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.85. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of -9.60%. This equates to an average daily loss of -3.20% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 21.95% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -31.21% to -8.98%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 17.14%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 9.87% and 79.95% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of approximately $111.43 to $182.51. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Nvidia stock price down 2.93% on Thursday. The Nvidia stock price fell by 2.93% on the last day, Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, from $104.49 to $101.43. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.42%, with a day low at $100.05 and a day high of $104.47. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, and is down by 0.37% for this period. Volume also decreased on the last day, along with the stock, which is actually a good sign, as volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 101 million shares, with a total of 290 million shares bought and sold for approximately $29.42 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $153.13. And the lowest price was $75.61. Currently, the price is 33.77%, or $51.71, below the 52-week high, and 54.51%, or $121.56, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $222.98. Nvidia has recently been in the spotlight, encountering significant challenges that resulted in a decline of over 8% in its stock price. This drop occurs against a backdrop of broader market volatility driven by various factors, including new export restrictions on artificial intelligence chips to China. Despite this setback, analysts remain cautiously optimistic, emphasizing Nvidia's solid position in the artificial intelligence hardware sector. Recent discussions among traders and stock analysts highlight that Nvidia continues to be perceived as a quality company, even while navigating geopolitical risks and increased competition, particularly from advanced micro devices. The uncertainty surrounding tariffs and U.S.-China relations adds another layer of complexity, making it difficult for some investors to commit. In the short term, these factors are likely to exert pressure on Nvidia's stock as market participants assess the implications of tighter regulations and competitive dynamics. However, in the long term, if the company can effectively navigate these challenges and continue to harness its strengths in artificial intelligence technologies, it could experience a rebound. Investors may want to keep an eye on how Nvidia manages these obstacles and whether its growth trajectory remains stable to gauge future stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned NVDA a strong buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Citigroup also assigned NVDA a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, Needham rated NVDA as buy with a hold action. On that same date, Benchmark similarly rated NVDA as buy with a hold action. Also, on March 19th, Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an overweight rating, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Nvidia stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is categorized as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 7.54%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Nvidia stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $108.81 and $111.73. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 40 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 37 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 41 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Nvidia. Nvidia currently has support from accumulated volume at $97.64. This level may represent a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is known for its significant daily movement, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $4.42, which is equal to 4.42%. In the last week, the average daily volatility has also been 4.42%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of May 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 93 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $114.33. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $97.64. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 21st of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. executed an insider sale of 1,900 shares of common stock. On the same day, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted another insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. On that same date, Robertson Donald F. Jr. also sold 300 shares of common stock. On the 19th of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. executed an insider sale of 5,689 shares of common stock. The following day, on the 20th of March, 2025, Shaw RTS conducted an insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is currently negative, with a ratio of negative 57.802. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,811,784 shares, while selling 8,523,220 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and currently there is no stop loss in place. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, April 21st, we anticipate Nvidia will open higher by approximately 557 0.10 and begin trading at 101 9800. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to be responsible for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us at Stock Invest.